Hi guys, today I'm with another video. Let's today check what was inside the earphones. So many of you don't know what was inside the earphones. Today friends we have to check what was inside the earphones. So friends, let's break the earphones and check what was inside the earphones friends. So coming to the point, so I am opening the seal friends. So very tight friends. Friends, I am opened the seal. Friends, in this we can see the grills in the these are the holes which the sound comes from the gills friends. Here is the hose with the sound comes, and we can look. Let's remove this. You can see friends, the inside was, let's focus the camera. Yes friends, you can see the two wires inside the earpiece. The wire is passed from this. And look at friends, the wire is this. There are two wires, one is copper and one is the red color wire friends. You can see, let the camera focus. As friends, this was a phone camera, please don't scold me. As friends, you can look, they are not focusing properly. Okay friends, as friends you can look here. Friends, I removed, friends, this was a seal friends, and here the outer cover. The outer cover is located like this friends. Let's remove the outer cover. Let's check another one. Friends, in this there is a copper wire friends. As you can see, this is the copper wire which allows you to the sound, which allows the sound to come to you. You need to look, this is a small copper wire, and the setup. And here there is a sponge. Let's quickly remove the sponge. Now it was breaking but not coming. So let's try. Friends, the sponge was came out friends. Friends, this was a sponge, and this was a shell, the hardly shell. It was very hard. Friends, the two wires come out from this hole. This is the one is the red wire and one is the copper wire friends. You can look, and friends, this is the wire along with the red wire friends. So that's all friends. There is a magnet located in this earpiece friends. It was bonded with friends. Let's remove. This was a green friends. This video is about what was present in the earphones friends. One is present in earphones was outer plastic cover, as you can listen the sound. So let's show you a sound friends. As you listen the sound, and there is a copper wire in this. The copper wire is something whereas here it is friends. This is the copper wire also present in the earphones to make the sound to ears, and the paper as same this. This paper was so hard we cannot. As friends, this was a metal ring. Here friends, it was bonding. As friends, this was a copper wire origin, and there is a magnet in one earphones, but there is no magnet in other earphones friends. And the setup was very good in other earphones, and there are two magnets friends. You can see the magnets. Yes. This means there are two magnets in only one earpiece, but there is no any magnet in other earpiece friends. So in this earphones also the two wires were set up, and a sponge and the magnets, and the earpiece I cannot break friends, so I will show you later. And in this the normal wires. Here is the normal wires, and silver plated. So that's all friends, that's all the earphones breaking. And today I want to show to you what was present inside the earphones friends. So these are the magnets. So let's quickly remove the parts friends. So just the camera. So friends, the first one is this, the outermost shell, and the second one is the cover cover which was present. Friends, here the cover is present. And the third was in the other earphones, the magnet, friends. This is the magnet. And fourth is also the magnet. And fifth, the shell which is present inside along with the two words, friends. This was a hard shell. The focusing of camera was not good. So friends, this was the hard shell and this is the wire, and this is the outermost wire, and the microphone is connected to this, and this is the other one. So friends, these are the parts present in, and this is the headphone jack which will give, which was silver coated. Friends, that's all today. That tearing of earphones is this one, friends. So hope you like this video and enjoy it. Thank you, friends. Please